Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, fellow Nigerians. Few days ago, a week ago, I make post about the nnpc. Thank God the revelation don't come out. nnpc declared about 3 trillion, but today, as you can see from the caption, they are shifting blame. They first shift blame, say na rain when e dey fall, bad road. Later they shift blame, say na protest, bad governance protest. But now nothing to put the blame again now. Mr. President, deregulate nnpc. Those people wey dey there, they waste Nigerian money. Sell those antifas, as I repeat, sell those antifas when they call refinery. If you fit sell our old jets, maybe say you dey renew all of una dey renew am, presidential jets una fit put am for say e no good, una still go buy 15 years old o. Sell Nigerian refinery. Na antiquity come be. Since we no fit maintain am, the nnpc no fit maintain am, they are always there to eat money. These private individuals wey don build modular refineries and Dangote, empower them, give them oil, let them produce for us. Open up the market the way una take open up cement. Deregulate the market. Today, nobody dey cry for diesel. Nobody dey cry for diesel. Whether diesel they sell am 1 million, and don't deregulate and deregulate nnpc. Give oil, give power. Make them dey sell, give local refinery. Then you can get money from there. Legal money where you no go stress for, because taxes will be collected. Now this nnpc, they say they get purchase and an enemy agreement. That means I give you crude, you give me back. But today, if they give them, they will come tell us say they won't go buy. Do am for the